Hey folks, how you doing today? This just came out of the shop. This is a 1957 baseball machine that was made by Coast Vending Incorporated. Once again, it's made in 1957. We just took it all apart, redid the whole thing, sent all the chrome out. It was never chrome in the very beginning. So as you can see here, we chromed the top very nicely. We chromed all of them coin mech. It's in a nice, beautiful red. Very nice thing. I thought it was kind of cool because it is a baseball vendor. So the way that it works, put your pin in. You get yourself a piece of gum. Okay. Oh. So once the gum drops down in here, you can see it. And now you have to make a run in order to get your gum. Oh. So it keeps coming back, right? So you have to get it into one of the holes. You can have a home run. I ain't doing too good here. I just did it 5 times. All right, I got it. So I got it in the triple, and now I get my gum. So it's kind of fun for the kids. Once again, it's all been replated. Coin mech's gone through, fully restored, runs good, penny machine, baseball theme, chrome, nice. Gonna look good in your baseball collection room or on your bar. Anyway, thank you for your time, and I hope you get it.
Jim, you really weren't missing, you're just increasing the entertainment value time to the whole unit.
I tried it 3 times before we did this video, and I made it every time.
Well, if you get home run every time, how challenging could it possibly be?
Yeah, exactly.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.